Hello friends, welcome to my channel Shimmery and Glittery, and also do remember to subscribe. To start with our gift wrapping ideas, we are going to pack this bottle as a gift wrap. Let's begin. Take two square gift wrapping papers, fold it as a triangle. Now tape it together and roll on the bottle. Give a fan fold to this open edge. And secure it to the bottle with a tape. Follow similarly on the other side. This gift wrap works well when you don't have the box and your gift is not evenly shaped. I'll be using this style of gift wrap for this handbag. I'll be using this round piece of glitter sheet and these flowers as embellishment for my gift. This wrapping tutorial is easy for any bottle gift, be it deo, perfume, or a wine bottle. This gift wrap works well for soft toys. So here comes a puppy. Pack me in this beautiful gift bag. Time to pack you, baby. We'll be making a bag out of this gift paper and we'll put a soft toy in it. Ta-da! The bag is ready. Drop the gift in and tape it. Making 2 holes in the bag, I have tied the golden thread as handles of my bag. I'll be putting these plastic ribbons on my gift bag. This unique gift bag makes this doggy all the more adorable. Let's see how. The base of the gift is ready. Come on, get in and sit tight, and we'll dress you up. Here comes the cone cap from a glitter sheet. Looks so cute and the kids are going to love it, and I'll be using it for packing this book. On a throwback note, I have used a similar concept to pack a baby blanket and baby dresses. I'll be using the cutouts from this glitter sheet to make the face of the doggy. So now, not a regular box to gift pack? No problem. You're all set for anything to be packed. Hope you liked the video, friends. Remember to give a thumbs up and hit the bell for notification. You can also find me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest and Twitter by the name Shimmery and Glittery. Gifting made beautiful with Shimmery and Glittery. Thank you.